this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Zoom login problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching to another Wi-Fi network or use mobile data. You can also verify your email and password. Make sure that you're using the correct email and keep in mind that passwords are case sensitive. If you forgot it, you can simply go ahead and click on forgot password and follow the prompts in order to reset your password. Also, you can visit status.zoom.us to check if the Zoom services are down. If it is, then wait and try again later. If you're using any kind of browser, simply go ahead and clear cache and cookies in your browser or try logging in again or restart your browser. If you're using the application and it's not up to date to the latest version, simply go ahead and update the application. If you're using any kind of VPN or any proxy, then that is definitely going to go ahead and mess with your login. So simply go ahead and disable that. And if nothing works, simply contact support at support.zoom.us. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.